What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Looking for an easy way to turn your lamp into an entertaining projector? Well, I think I might have the solution here. This is a light bulb. It says W650 on here, and you can get these different types of light bulbs, and as you can see here, they're kind of like little projectors. They can project lots of different patterns. So I thought I would just check one out. It was about 20 bucks. Why not? You know, this is something that if you pick this up, you know, might be able to improve your festivities around the holidays. It might be something that you want to use to entertain a child in their bedroom, like project on the ceiling. You can even use a little spotlight. It's probably about the overall length of a regular light bulb, maybe just a little bit longer. It's got that standard light bulb base. We've got a large plastic housing here, and then you can see we have, looks like little lenses in there. And I'm not sure what's in there, and I'm actually not even sure how you change them, but as you can see, this piece rotates right there. So I'm not sure if that rotates as this thing heats up, but I do have a light socket right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and install this so we can test it out. Oh, it's already on. Look at that. I didn't expect that. It is already going. So as soon as it gets powered in, not only is it projecting, but you can see different colors, and then it is rotating. So what is it projecting? Oh man, cool. It's projecting snowflakes. They move pretty quickly here. And I would think maybe this isn't probably the right distance for them. There's probably a kind of an ideal distance, you know, on a wall or on a ceiling. But I'll say even at this kind of close range, they are pretty well in focus. Look at that. Pretty mesmerizing. It's just doing it just like that. That's pretty cool. So if you want to spend the holidays, give your parties a little bit of a little lift. I suppose you could put this outside on the side of your house or something. Share a little bit of that winter life. Hashtag polar vortex. You could certainly do that. Pretty cool. Now, it does say here that it looks like not only is there snowflakes, but you have like candy canes and other Christmas items, Halloween, and then like Valentine's Day hearts and whatnot. So, not sure exactly. I guess you'd probably have to order them, you know, based on the design you want. I guess the white one is snowflakes, but then these other colors probably coincide to these. So check it out. I'll put a link to this in the description. Pretty clever. Peter Von Panda. Out.